Duke is out. The last representing North Carolina team with contention to win a national title was eliminated this past weekend against Michigan State, 68-67. The two favorites to win this year's tournament both represented the state of North Carolina. Throughout the season, both Duke and North Carolina tortured teams across the nation and were both a sure pick to at least make an appearance in the Final Four round. But tables turned quick as North Carolina suffered the first loss and an upset loss to number 5 ranked Auburn, who is currently one of the Final Four teams in this year's round. Duke would be the only hope for the state of North Carolina to say a representing college team won a national title. But just as North Carolina, Duke, after edging by their past 2 games by just 1 point, soon fell to the hands of number 2 ranked Michigan State by just 1 point. I went around campus to get a feel of who students felt will take the title home this year.
My original pick this year to win the March Madness was Duke, but unfortunately they didn't win. They didn't make it to the Final Four.
I'm a Carolina fan, so I did have Carolina winning.
I did fill out a March Madness bracket, and right now it's terrible. It's trash. It's thrown away. It's done. It's over with.
Actually, I only had one wrong team after the first round, but then after that, it was just trash.
I honestly had my Final Four. I had Duke going against. It was against somebody, and I had Carolina going against somebody. I had originally had Duke and Carolina in the championship, but both of them got eliminated early. So now I probably think Texas Tech and Michigan State probably gonna go.
In my Final Four, I had Carolina, Duke, Virginia, and I don't remember what the last pick was.
Well, there you have it. The state of North Carolina will not get the joy of watching a representing North Carolina team in this year's Final Four round. Campus seems split upon Texas Tech, Michigan State, Auburn, and Virginia. With the tournament resuming Saturday, Auburn takes on Virginia and Texas Tech takes on Michigan State. Only 2 will advance. Do not miss out. And I'm Jordan Carter reporting from JOMC 206.